Hello everyone, myself Pranav Dani. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have completed MSc Computer Science from PBG College of Science, Pune. So this is the original video. Today's topic is the array list collection in Java. So let's discuss about today's topic. So what is the array list? Array list is one of the type of collection in Java which order the insertion order, which is kindly similar to the array but not exactly similar to the array. Now we will see the difference between the normal array and the array list. The array is the collection of similar data type but having a fixed size. The array is static in nature. Suppose we have 5 numbers in array 1 to 5. If we have to insert the 6 element, it will cause the exception array index out of bounds. To reduce that eliminates in the array, the JDK Java invented collection. In the collection, we can the size of array is grow or shrink dynamically. Means if we need the more number of element in the array size will shrink according to the insertion order. Grow according to the insertion order and shrink according to the deletion order. So array list extends the list classes, which is the implement the iterable method. Now it is a one type of collection in Java. So now we will see the basic features of array list. Array list maintain the insertion order. Means if we add the element in the insertion order of 1 to 10, the same order will print in the output. It can contain the duplicate value. It is grown or shrink dynamically. So it doesn't take the it may take the duplicate value in the array list. So the next part is the before 1.5 the generics was not there. Generics means that we can use the only one similar type of data. Instead of before 1.5, before generics was not invented, the multiple data types can perform at the single array list, but we need the typecasting. Now after generics, after JDK 1.5, the generics was invented and which is included in the array list. In the collection, whole collection. For after that, if we adding the integer value, we can add only integer value in the array list. If we want two more value, we have to create the second array list for that. But we need not no need to typecast the data types. Now we will see the various method used in the Java. Various method used in the array list which is not included in the array. We can add the all element in the array. We can remove. We can check the is empty. We can check the list is full or not. We can by using index we can access the direct element directly. No need to shifting the element from right shift or left shift or the list is that the not continuous memory location is there. Because of that, we don't need to shift the element from left to right to deletion or insertion order to maintain the insertion and deletion order. This is all about the array list in Java. Thank you.